We have on the table a Victorinox Swiss Army Sentinel one hand. The Swiss Army knives of this model has, I think, 3 variations of this one. The one hand, because of the thumb hole over there, like the spider coil, you can flip it with one hand. You do have one, like same one as this, but with a clip, and then you just have a Sentinel. This one has a different blade on it. Okay, it's a different shape of blade. The Sentinel would have like your normal Swiss Army blade, but the same length of the knife. I did put another pocket clip on this one. I do carry this one because it's light. Okay, all right, and then this one also has your liner lock. I mean, it is a one-hand opening, but for you to close it, you need 2 hands for this. Okay, 2-handed function. All right, says it has 4 functions in this one. You have your large knife. Okay, close it again, and then you actually have to push the liner lock over to the right for you to close it. Is it centered? Not really centered, but I don't mind that one. Okay, the functions: you have your large blade, all right, your tweezers, does have a toothpick, and a key ring. The key ring on this one is a bit bigger. I changed it with the key ring that comes with this pocket clip. The pocket clip is not a Swiss Army brand. I just bought it online. Okay, so let's put those back in again. It's a nice blade. It's easy to open. Height is 1/2 inch. Okay, total weight is 2.6 ounces. The scale material is polyamide. 4 inches of this one's 4 inches long. Okay, it is lockable. One-hand opening. All right. It's light, easy to carry. If you don't like my pocket clip, you could buy one with the incorporated clip on this one. I think it's gonna be more expensive, just a little bit more expensive. On the Swiss Army website, you could buy this for $31.99, but if you look online, sometimes you could buy it for $27, $25. I'm not really sure how much the one with the clip is, but I do know it is a bit more expensive. Not really expensive, but you know what I mean. Okay, so Swiss Army Sentinel one hand. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.